T-Mobile not using verification texts. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix T-Mobile not receiving verification texts. So let's get started. First, check your phone's message setting. Make sure your SMS messaging is enabled and that you have not blocked unknown numbers or short codes. Verification texts often come from short numbers. You can also restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary network or software glitches. If still does not work, confirm the phone number. Double check that the correct phone number was entered on the website or application you are trying to verify. You can also review blocking and spam filters. Go through your phone settings in your T-Mobile account to ensure no spam blocking or message filtering features are blocking verification codes. If still not working, then toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Also check your signal on network. Poor reception can delay or block verification messages. Move to an area with stronger signal and try again. If you still cannot receive verification codes, then reach out to T-Mobile. They can check for account restrictions, messaging issues, or network problems. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix T-Mobile not receiving verification texts.